Do you have 3 overripe bananas, a bunch of random ingredients in your pantry, and a burst of creativity? Well, throw everything together, bake for an hour, and voila! Welcome to Tasty Food for You. And today, we'll be presenting you everything about banana bread. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn notifications on to receive more great content like today. Keep watching to find out more interesting facts about your favorite dessert. If you have ever tried a deliciously moist banana bread, its crunch and hint of sweetness will make you come back for another slice just to make sure you figured out what all's in there. Banana bread, as its name suggests, is made up of bananas. This kind of bread is usually sweet and used as a dessert or tea time cake. The exact origins of the bread are unknown, but it became popular in America during the early 20th century. In the 1930s, baking soda and baking powder became very common. This gave popularity to banana bread because both baking soda and baking powder were needed to bake it. The first banana bread recipe was published in Pillsbury's 1933 Balanced Recipes Cookbook and became even more popular later after appearing in the Chiquita Bananas recipe book in 1950. Another reason its popularity has grown was due to the Great Depression. During the Great Depression, women would use overripe bananas to make banana bread instead of just throwing them away. Bananas were expensive back then, and households couldn't afford to waste them away. By definition, banana bread is a quick bread, as it contains no yeast but does contain baking powder. Cooking experts claim that it is actually more a cake than a bread. This is because it contains quite a lot of sugar. They believe that it is called bread because it's cut into slices and served with butter, unlike traditional cakes that are cut in wedges and usually richly frosted. Bananas are a source of quick energy because they are rich in carbohydrates. This makes banana bread a perfect breakfast treat that will kickstart your day. You can make banana bread with ripe bananas, flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Other ingredients are also added, depending on the recipe, like eggs and butter. All the ingredients are mixed, and then the bread is baked in an oven. There are many banana bread variations. Some people like to add nuts in them: raisins, chocolate chips, cinnamon, blueberries, or even raspberries. Banana bread is a recipe that you should be able to make whenever you have a few bananas going soft and freckly. At any time and anywhere, with a mixer or with a fork, in a loaf pan or a muffin tin. Keep in mind that the only requirement for making banana bread is that you use very ripe bananas. Once the skins start to develop freckles and the bananas are just a little too soft for pleasurable snacking, then it's banana bread time. Banana bread recipe. For this amazing banana bread, you will need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 very ripe medium bananas, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup, if you want, chopped nuts or chocolate chips. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prep the pan. Melt the butter in the microwave or over low heat on the stovetop. Combine the butter and sugar with a whisk in a large bowl. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Whisk until completely combined and the mixture is smooth. Whisk the milk and vanilla into the mixture. Mash in the bananas and add them to the bowl. Leave the bananas as chunky or as smooth as you prefer. Add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Measure the flour, baking soda, and salt into the bowl. Using a spatula, gently stir until the ingredients are just barely combined and no flour is visible. Pour the batter into the pan. Bake for 50 to 65 minutes. Bake until the top of the cake is caramelized dark brown with some yellow interior peeking through and a toothpick or a cake tester inserted into the middle comes out clean. 50 to 65 minutes. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Let it cool on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. This helps the loaf solidify and makes it easier to remove from the pan. Remove from pan and let it cool. Do you have a favorite banana bread recipe? Let us know in the comments down below. And now that you're here, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.